Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily Dvar, and here's a brand new halacha for you, and it's for Wednesday, the second day of February. Here we go. Today, the halachas of the amens that are recited during Shemona Esrei, the repetition of the Shemona Esrei, when the chazan is repeating it. Of course, every time the chazan says Baruch Atah Hashem, we all respond with Baruch Hu Uvaruch Shemo. I hope you know that. And then when he ends each bracha of the repetition, we answer Amen. You all knew that, I hope. But here's the thing. Sometimes the Chazan says the whole repetition of the Shemona Esrei too fast. And he says, Baruch atah Hashem chonin hadas, with no pause in between. And there's no time for you to fit in the words Baruch Hu Baruch Shemo because he barreled through it. And even after he says the words chonin hadas, he didn't pause long enough for you to say Amen, and he already began the next bracha because he's unfortunately, sometimes they rush and they say, come on, let's just move this davening along. And it's a problem. The problem is, a chazan is really supposed to clearly leave you Baruch Atah Hashem, and then leave you like a 1 or 2 second pause, enough time for you to say Baruch Hu Baruch Shemo, and then Chonin Hadas, and enough time for you to say Amen, and then the next bracha begins. That's how it has to be. If the chazan is messing up and not doing that, here's what you should do. You should try politely, either right then and there if necessary, if you could do it politely, or afterwards. Tell him, please don't do that in the future. Please leave us enough time to say Baruch Atah Hashem. I mean Baruch Hu Baruch Shemo after you say Baruch Atah Hashem. And please leave us enough time to say Amen, because we are not allowed to say Baruch Hu Baruch Shemo while you are rambling through the other parts. You must leave us a gap so that we could fill it in. If the chazan is not doing that and refuses to leave you time, this is going to shock you, but the halacha clearly says that if he doesn't leave you time to say Baruch Hu Baruch Shemo, then you don't say Baruch Hu Baruch Shemo. If he doesn't leave you enough time to say Amen, then you do not say Amen, because you're supposed to be listening to everything he's saying, and he's not leaving you a chance to fit in the word Amen. So if he's not leaving you time, you don't say the word Amen. And there's some guilt going to be there for the Amens being missing, and the guilt will be upon the head. This is straight out of the Shulchan Aruch, the Code of Jewish Law. The guilt for the missing Amen will be on the head of the Chazan who rambled too quickly through the Shemona Esrei. So, if you ever see this happen, try to correct the Chazan, and if he won't be corrected on the matter, you'll have to skip your Amens, and the mild, I don't even want to call it mild, the sin for the matter will be on the head of the Chazan. And if you are a Chazan, please don't let this happen. Bottom line, leave a clear space for all the Amens and the Baruch Hu Baruch Shemos to fit in. That's the way it's supposed to be. Thanks for logging on. Log on again tomorrow for more. And if there's ice or snow where you are, please drive carefully. Bye-bye.